Good morning. Myself, S. Tirumala, Dr. S. Tirumala, Department of Environmental Science, Government First Year College, Davangere. Today, I will talk about solid waste management, urban and industrial waste pollution. Waste, it is defined as waste, also known as rubbish, trash, refuse, garbage, junk, is any unwanted or useless material or called as the waste, or any material unused and rejected as a worthless or unwanted, a useless, profitless activity using, expanding and consuming or carelessly is called as the waste. At the end of the 19th century industrial revolution, there was rise in the world of consumers. The increasing population and urbanization is also largely responsible for the increase of the solid waste. In the introduction of that solid waste, since beginning, the humankind has been generating waste. It could be in the form of bones, other parts of the animals they are slaughtered, in the form of food. With progress of the civilization, waste generated become a more and more the complex of the nature. What is solid waste? Solid waste is a defined non-liquid, non-soluble material ranging from municipal garbage to industrial waste that contain complex and sometimes hazardous substances is called as the solid waste. Types of solid waste. Broadly, there are three types of solid waste. They are household waste, generally classified as the municipal waste, industrial waste as the hazardous waste, biomedical waste as the hospital waste, and or infectious waste. Municipal waste. Municipal solid waste is a consists of household waste, construction, demolition, debris, sanitations, residue, waste from the streets. The characterization of the solid waste. They are characterized the solid waste or the municipal solid waste. The food and scrap is the 11.2%, and paper is the 37.4%. The glass the 5.5%. The metal 7.8%. The plastic is 10.3%, and the polythene it is a nearly 0.4%. The rubber leather is the 6.7%. Wood is the 5.5%. Air trimming and agriculture waste, it is nearly 12% of the characterization of the municipal solid waste is present in the cities. With rising urbanization and changing in the lifestyle of the food habit, the amount of municipal solid waste has been increasing rapidly, and its composition also changing. The existing of the landfills neither well equipped or well managed in the lined properly to protect against the contamination of the soil and the groundwater system. The types of litter generated and the approximate time to take to degrade. Nearly organic waste such as vegetables, fruits, peels, leftover the food stuffs, it nearly requires a week or 2 weeks it is required. The paper 10 to 30 days will require the degrade. Cotton cloth is nearly 2.5 months, and wood is the 10 to 15 years. Woolen items is the 1 year. The aluminum and other metal items it can be taken to 100 to 500 years. In the plastic bags it is nearly 1 million years. The glass bottles are the undetermined. These are the type of litter generate and approximate time to take to degenerate. Hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is mainly the industrial and hospital waste. It's considered as the hazardous waste. Contain the toxic substances. Hazardous waste could be highly toxic to human and animals and plants. They are with a corrosive, highly inflammable, and explosive. React when exposed to certain things. Example: the gases. Effect of solid waste. Health hazardous. The solid waste are not collected and allowed to accumulate. They may create unsanitary conditions. This may lead to epidemic outbreaks. Many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, and dysentery, plague, jaundice, or gastrointestinal diseases may spread the causes of losses of the human lives. In this addition, the improper handling of solid waste and health hazardous for the workers who come direct contact with the waste. So mainly environmental impact. If the solid waste are not treated properly or decomposition or putrefaction or means it is a decaying of it takes place. The organic solid waste during the decomposition may generate the obeisness, means the intolerable odor to gas to release to the environment. Waste management concept. Here, how to waste the management, the concept with the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. To be followed the waste management. What is reduce? The disposal of goods, paper plates, paper bowls, or napkin, towels, all the waste materials, ceramic, plastics, these are the materials, the dishes, they are recovered. 1 ton paper can save nearly 17 trees. This is called the reduce. Reuse. Instead of buying new container from the market, use the ones that are in the house. Don't throw away from the soft drinks can or bottles. Cover them with the home-made papers or paint on them. Use them pencil stands or the small one. That is called as the reuse. Recycle. Use the shopping bags made cloth or jute which can be used over and over. That is the recycle. Waste manage hierarchy. There are number of concepts about the waste management which varies from their usage between the countries to a region. Some of the most generated widely used concepts of including waste hierarchy. The waste hierarchy refers to the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, which classify waste management strategies according to their desirability. Terms of waste minimization. The waste hierarchy means remain cornerstone of the most of the waste minimization strategies. The aim of this waste hierarchy is to extract the maximum practical benefit from the product to generate the minimum amount of the waste. This is the most favored options, the least favored option, the prevention, minimization, reuse, recycle, energy recovery, and disposal. This is the how to management of the solid waste management. The polluters pay principle, the polluter pays principle is the principle which polluting parties pays the impact caused to the environment with respect to the waste management. The generally refers to the requirement for the waste generator to pay off the appropriate disposal of the uncoverable material. Solid waste management. The solid waste, how to solid waste manage? In the solid waste managed by storage, collection, transport and handling, recycling, disposal and monitoring of the waste material. The storage, the waste material, they are stored in the galvanized steel dustbin and paper sacks and public bins. Collection of house to house collection from the public bins to collection and recycling of the material. Waste handling with and transport. Waste handling and separation involves activities associated with waste management until the waste is placed in the storage. The container for collection handling also encompass the movement of loaded containers to the point of collection, the waste transport from smaller collection vehicle to larger transport equipment. Recycling. Recycling refers to the collection and refuse the waste material such as empty beverage container, the material from which item made can be processed into the new products. Material or recycling may be collected separately from general waste using the dedicated some bins. Method of disposal. Dumping method, controlled by tipping or sanitary landfill, incineration method, composting method, manure pits, and burial. Dumping. Low-lying areas to dump the waste. The low-lying areas mainly for dry refuses. Kolkata disposed by this and method and reclaim land given by cultivation. Unsanitary method exposed to the flies or rodents or nonsense and dispersed by wind, pollution of the surface water. Control and tipping sanitary landfill is a satisfactory method. Material placed in a trench, compacted with the earth and the end of the working days. Modified sanitary landfill where compaction and covering of the accomplished once or twice a week. A 3 method, trench method and ramp method. and area method. Refuse is the compacted, it's exposed for surface with the excavated earth nearly 30 centimeters depth. Trench method. Long trench 6 to 10 feet depth, 12 to 36 feet wide, and refuse the compacted and covered with the excavated some earth. Refuse is the filled up, it is the 6 feet. It is estimated 1 acre of the land per year for nearly 10,000 population. Ramp method is the suited where the terrain is the moderately sloping. Area method. Area method used for the filling the land depression, disused quarries and clay pits. Refuse the deposited, packed and consolidated in the uniform layers of 6 to 8 feet. Each layer is the sealed with a mud cover at least 12 inches. Sealing prevent infestations by flies and rodents, prevent the noise and the smell and the dust. The changes, the chemical and bacteriological and physical. The temperature rises from the 60 degrees within the 7 days and kills the pathogens and decomposition process. It takes 4 to 6 months for complete the decomposition. This is the pit method or land filling method. Nearly taking the 1 acre of land daily, the 6 inches of the daily they cover and active working for the phase. Incineration method. It is the disposal method in which solid organic waste are subjected to combustion so as to convert them the residue and gaseous products. This process reduces the volumes of solid waste to 20 to 30% of the original volume. It is also described as the thermal treatment where land is not available. The most of this incineration method you have to use for the hospital waste. Composting method is combined disposal of refuse and night soil or sludge. The principle of the products are the carbon dioxide, water and heat. The end product is the obtained in the composting method is the compost is the obtained. In the composting method, there are the 3 methods. One is the Bangalore method, mechanical composting method and vermicomposting. The Bangalore method of the method is the composting method is it is an hot fermentation process. It means it is the anaerobic method. In the Indian Institute of Science and the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, they are operating this type of the hot fermentation process. It is the anaerobic method. The trenches dug 3 feet depth and 5 to 8 feet broad and 15 to 13 feet of long. The composting, the procedure layer by layer refuse nearly 15 centimeter and layer of the night soil using up to 5 centimeter. This physical and chemical biological changes takes place. Another method is the mechanical composting. This is the aerobic method. Compost manufactured by processing raw materials by screening, pulverization, mixing, incubation process. Completed nearly 4 to 6 weeks for the composting to prepare. In the vermicomposting method, it is the method of disposal of the kitchen and plate waste, which serve the purpose of disposing of the garbage as well as proving eco-friendly. Manure pits. The most of in the village sectors, they are using the manure pits. Use the rural areas, the digging of the manure pits, it is the prevent them refuse from around the houses and the garbage, cattle dung, straw and some of the leaves should be dumped into the manure pits and covered with the earth. 2 pits will be needed in 5 to 6 months. The time the refuse unconverted into the manure, converted into the manure, this which can be returned into the field. The next method is burial method. The suitable for the small camp, a trench nearly 1.5 meter wide and 2 meter deep, excavated. The refuse covered with 20 to 30 centimeter of earth. When the level, the most of the level in the trench is nearly 40 centimeters and the ground level, the trench is filled with the earth and compacted. Nearly, it is a burial method. It takes 4 to 6 months. Will takes burial method. Causes of solid waste. The main source for the solid waste, the domestic, commercial, industrial, and municipal and agricultural waste. The composition of the city waste is follows: paper, wood, cardboard, nearly 50%, garbage is 22%, ceramic, glassware, crockery is nearly 10%, the metals is 8%, rubber, plastic, and discarded textile nearly 7%. The composition of city waste. It is a composition: paper, wood, and cardboards, garbage, ceramic, glass, crockery, metals, rubbers, and plastic discard. It is a type of waste produced in the city waste. The increasing of the quantity of solid waste due to mainly the overpopulation, the material is the comfort, the affluations, the technological advancement. What is the effect of solid waste? Mainly the effects of solid waste, the health hazard. If solid waste are not collected and allowed to accumulate, they may create unsanitary conditions. This may lead to epidemic outbreaks. Many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, plague, jaundice, and or gastrointestinal diseases may spread and cause loss of the human lives. In addition, the improper handling of the solid waste is the health hazard for the workers who come in direct contact with the waste. Environmental impact. If the solid waste are not treated properly, the decomposition and the putrefaction or decaying may take place. The organic and solid waste during the decomposition may generate some of the intolerable odors. The next is industrial waste. What is the definition of industrial waste? Industrial waste refers to the solid and liquid gases emission from residual and unwanted waste from an industrial operation. Example: refineries, chemicals, pulp and paper industries, oil, grease, suspended solid phenols, sulfides, ammonium nitrogens, acid-base suspended solids, and some of the dioxins produced from the chlorine used in the bleaching process. Waste generation projection in the 2025, the nearly by reason of the industrial waste, it is the total population and urban waste generation projected population. It is in 2025. It is nearly a total tons of per day, nearly 6,69,700 tons per day they produce from the above. Statistics predict that the coming 15 years, the rate of waste production will be almost be doubled. Hazardous waste and non-hazardous. Hazardous or industrial waste may cause dangers to health to environment, flammable, irritant, harmful, toxic, carcinogenic, and corrosive and infectious. Now, non-hazardous industrial waste, similar to household waste by its nature and composition, need not to take care about it. Industrial waste management involves collection, transport, processing of disposed, managing and monitoring of the waste material. Typical techniques: waste avoidance, waste minimization, landfill, incineration, deep well injection. Effective strategies and the 4R strategy in the industrial symbiosis. Seems to be a good idea to not to without risk chance of the leakage of the groundwater to avoid the deep well injection method. Incineration, it is the disposal method with solid organic waste, some subjected to the combustion, so as to convert them into the residues and gaseous products. Volume of solid waste nearly 20 to 30% of the original volume. The quick, the effective way. The 4R strategy: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover in the industrial waste management, especially emphasis on recovery. Waste energy generation. According to the recent data for Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, there exists potential of about nearly 13 1,300 megawatt from the industrial waste. Magnitude problems of in India. The per capita waste generation increasing nearly 1.3% per annum, with the urban population increasing between nearly 3 to 3.5% per annum. Yearly increasing of the waste generation is around nearly 5% per annually. India produces nearly 42 million tons of municipal waste annually at present. Per capita generation of waste varies from 200 milligrams to 600 milligrams per capita per day. The average generation rate of the nearly 0.4 kgs per capita per day they produce the solid waste. The collection efficiency range between 50 to 90% of the solid waste generated. The urban local bodies spend around nearly 500 to 1,500 per ton solid waste management. Nearly 60 to 70% amount of the collection alone. 20% to 30% on transportation, hardly, and the fund is the spent the treatment and disposal of the waste. The food dumping of waste most of the cities. Solid waste in India, nearly 7 million tons of hazardous waste, 1 square kilometer of additional landfill areas every year. Nearly 1,600 crores for treatment and disposal of this waste. In addition of the industry discharge about nearly 150 million tons of high volume of the low hazardous waste every year, which is mostly dumped on the open low-lying land areas. Growth of solid waste in India. Waste is growing by leaps and bounds. In the 1981 to 91, population of Mumbai increased nearly 8 million to 12 million producing of the waste. During the same period, municipal solid waste has grown from nearly 3,200 tons to 5,355 tons as increases of the nearly 67%. City like Bangalore produce nearly 2,000 tons of waste per annum. Waste collection very low for all Indian cities. The waste per Indian cities near Mumbai it is the 9,500 million tons. Bhopal is the 700, and Hyderabad is the 3,000 million tons. Ahmedabad is the 3,600 million tons, and Bangalore is nearly 3,000 million tons per day produced by the waste in Indian cities. Waste collection of in India primarily by the city municipality. No gradations of the waste produced. Example, biodegradable glass, playbacks, papers, etc. Dump these waste from the city outskirts. Local radiwalas or kabadiwalas collecting small iron pieces from the magnets, collecting the glass bottles, collecting papers for recycling. How do solid waste affected on recent years? In Mumbai, 2005 clogged the sewage line due to the large number of the plastic bags. The blast in the Boson steel factory at Noida, the caused due to the import scrap from the iron, the reduction of a number of migratory birds due to consumption of contaminated of the food. The animal dying, street on the farmland and consumption of the plastic bags, which is the blocks of the food movement in their stomach. This is the municipal generation from the metropolitan cities of in India. They will produce in the urban municipal waste in the per million tons per day. The mission estimated nearly 60,000 crores rupees. India biggest our cleanness drive around the 3 government employees, school, colleges, students of the Indian participated in the event is the initial phase. The mission was started Prime Minister Modi ji, who on December 25, 2014 nominated 9 famous personalities for the campaign. They took up the challenges and nominated in the 9 more peoples. Thereafter, it has been carried forward with the people from all walks from the life joining it. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the Prime Minister of Indian Narendra Modi ji launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the Clean India mission, on the birth of anniversary of the Mahatma Gandhi on October 2, 2004 in Rajghat in the New Delhi. The management of the waste management of policies, Environmental Protection Act in 1986, hazardous waste rules in the 1989, the biomedical waste rules in the 1998, and the municipal solid waste in 2000, and the Waste Management Act in the 1996, solid waste management in India in the 2006. This is the brief of the references of the solid waste management and urban waste. Thank you.